Welcome to Genie Baji. Episode 2. Greetings and Introductions. Dialogue. Meeting someone for the first time. Characters: Emma and John. Hello, my name is Emma. Hi Emma, I am John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good. Thanks. Are you new here? Yes, I just moved to this city. Welcome. I hope you like it here. Thanks. Everyone seems really friendly. Well done. You have just practiced a simple English conversation using greetings and introduction. Practice this dialogue with a friend or say both parts by yourself to build confidence. In the next episode, we will move on to another fun everyday topics like daily routine, food and hobbies. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.